Welcome back to Primetime News and a special welcome to those of you watching on onespotmedia.com. The Manchester police have identified the victims of last night's deadly crash involving two public passenger vehicles along the Winston Jones Highway. 3 people are dead and 11 others injured in a crash where speeding seems to have been a factor. TVJ News visited the family of one of the victims.
When Darnay Clark called his parents sometime after 8 Tuesday evening to say he was boarding a taxi for home, little did they know it was the last time they would hear from their son. While fighting the tears, his mother told us she got another call moments after.
We immediately drove out. On our way, we thought that how we didn't hear anybody calling again to say anything. We called, they said he's in the car. From I heard that he's in the car. He's still in the car. I figured it wasn't good.
By the time they arrived on the scene, their worst fear was imagined. Clark was among 3 people who died in a motor vehicle crash involving a Toyota Wish and a Toyota Succeed along the Winston Jones Highway in Manchester. The other 2 victims are 33-year-old Fabian Uter and 43-year-old Wayne Morris. Reports are that the 2 vehicles were descending the highway when the driver of the Toyota Wish lost control of the vehicle and crashed into the rear of the Toyota Succeed. Mayor of Mandeville Donovan Mitchell, who was traveling on the roadway at the time of the crash, says speeding may have been a contributing factor.
It was busy going down, and so I think it could have occurred because of speeding, because both vehicles, as I was told by one of the driver, were traveling in the same direction. It was not opposite direction, so it could have been that speeding would have been the problem. But I just ask that God will be with the families and that we take caution on our roadways.
When our news team visited the communities of the deceased, residents appealed for motorists to cut their speed.
They wake up the whole community. They wake up the whole community. They wake up everybody.
I am just appealing these taxi men. And I know I might get a beating for this, but they are the reason why I don't even want to drive to school. Because they're driving on the road and out of nowhere, then just come out like that, the reckless, the careless driving. And many times, whenever the accidents happen, they don't die. Now the community is in mourning.
Dwayne Anderson, TVJ News.